Imagine one night you're looking up at the sky and you see something totally not normal. Instead of one moon, there are two. At first, it might look kind of pretty. Nights are brighter, the sky feels weirder, maybe even a bit romantic. But here's the bad news. Everything's about to turn into a disaster. Let's dive into what would happen if Earth had two moons. So the question is, why exactly would having two moons be a disaster? Well, right now, the moon is the reason the oceans rise and fall. A calm, predictable balance. But now imagine this, two moons pulling on Earth at the same time. Everything goes chaotic. Sometimes the moons line up in the same direction, and in that moment, tides can get way stronger. Like how strong? Water could rise meters high, coastal cities underwater in just a few hours. But the scarier part, when the moons pull in opposite directions, their forces fight each other. And the result? Oceans go totally crazy. Water moves in completely unpredictable ways. One place dries up suddenly, another gets flooded instantly. No one can predict anymore when the sea is calm and when it's deadly. Now we get to the real catastrophe. Ever thought about what happens when Earth loses its balance? We've got the planet's rotation axis, the thing that keeps day, night, and seasons regular. But with two moons, that axis could start wobbling. Seasons get messed up. Summers might get cold. Winters could turn hot. Days could be super short or insanely long. Maybe one day could last a week. And worst of all, Earth might lose that peaceful stability it's always had. Nature, oceans, even the winds, everything starts acting unpredictable and dangerous. So the real question is, if two moons can throw Earth off balance, can life as we know it even continue? Now, let's get to the scariest part. Two moons in orbit are like two loaded guns ready to fire. If one gets too close or their paths collide, just imagine, it could break into thousands of rocks, each one hurtling straight toward Earth. A meteor shower no movie could ever show. Cities get destroyed, oceans explode, and Earth could reshape itself. And the terrifying question, if this happens, do we even stand a chance to survive? Honestly, I don't think so. Because right when chaos hits, when we're dealing with massive tsunamis, crazy weather, messed up nights and days, the sky goes weird, stars dim, and Earth feels like it's shaking. When two moons collide, the energy released is like thousands of nuclear bombs. Huge chunks of rock and debris get thrown into space, some of it aimed straight at Earth. This meteor shower, not just a light show. Cities, forests, oceans, everything could change or vanish. And Earth just watches, because even the greatest human power can't stop a natural disaster like this. So yeah, we get it. If Earth had two moons, it could be a massive disaster. And honestly, I'd rather stick with just one moon. If you want to see more crazy videos from our channel, hit that subscribe button right now, because we're going to show you all the things you never knew about the world and the universe.